You are about to start or already started your GoHighLevel web design or SaaS agency, and you would have gone inside the GoHighLevel templates and set up a website which looks something like this. Generic, boring, outdated, and pretty much gives a vibe of a shitty agency. And now take a look at the website which I've built inside the GoHighLevel, which actually helped me to get the first web design client when I didn't have any portfolios, testimonials, or reviews. As you can compare the GoHighLevel templates and the website I have built has a huge difference. And yes, this website is the main reason how I signed my first paid client. And in this video, I'm going to explain how I got my first client with the help of this website and how I actually built this website inside the GoHighLevel website builder, and all the psychology went inside to building each section of this site to increase your conversion rate by getting more website and SaaS clients. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I provide website and SaaS services to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. First of all, I'll let you know how I actually signed my client with the help of this website. I'm going to keep this real short. So I have been struggling to get clients for 6 months, doing all kinds of cold outreach and didn't get any results. And I posted this on the Facebook saying I'm giving out 3 free websites to the local businesses. And one of my Facebook friends reached out to me asking for a website. At the moment, I didn't really have a portfolio and didn't really had any experience. But at the same time, I want to sign this client really bad to improve my confidence. And since I didn't really had any clients for the first 6 months, I end up spending more time building my own SaaS website. And when my friend / client was asking me about my portfolio and my previous experience, I didn't really had anything to show. But at the same time, I had this SaaS website. I was showing it to him like I didn't really have any prior experience, but look at my own website, which I built for myself. And I showed him my own website and said, I can build you this kinds of website with high conversion, with cool animations and effect and SEO optimization. Just because they are your friend, they owe you nothing. If they don't trust your service, they're not going to pay you to build their website. Since I increased my trust between me and my client by showing my own website and skills, he ended up signing me not for free, for £500. And on top of it, I retained him for social media posts for another £500. So this website actually got me my first £1,000. So now you know how I got my first client. Now let's see about the psychology behind each section of the site. The first thing you see inside the hero section is the cool rotating text effect, along with the high definition graphic, which is not fully visible. Yes, we do have other text and elements inside the hero section, but human brain is built for glancing rather than reading. And that's why if they saw templates like these, then they will just close the tab or buy the service from someone else. And nowadays, people have less attention span because of doom scrolling and brain rot content. And the reason for having this rotating text effect is to captivate your potential client. And this is the main reason why other big agencies implement the same kind of animations and effects in their own hero section on their website. And for example, if your potential client is a service-based business, and when they see this service-based text in the hero section, it will have the personal connection, and only then they will read the other stuff which is inside your hero section. Since 73% of the website visitors leave the website after 3 seconds without even scrolling down to check what else you can offer them, and that's the main reason why I have intentionally left half of the graphic. And when your brain sees something piquing your interest and it's not fully shown in the site, then your curious brain wants to know what actually it is, and only then they will scroll down to see the entire graphics, which shows most of the features your client is getting when they sign up for your service. And when you start scrolling, it's easy to keep on scrolling, and they will check out all the features you are delivering within your website, and you can increase your trust between you and your client by signing them up to your services. And this is the main reason other big agencies have this half shown graphics in their website to let the viewers scroll down to check all the service they're providing. And since we have let them start scrolling, and it's easy to keep on scrolling, and they will see the comprehensive feature section in one place: running email and SMS marketing, track deals and managing pipelines, generating invoices, organizing your calendar, creating websites and funnels, building forms and survey, launching your own e-commerce store, and creating your own course and community. So all the features you have in GoHighLevel, you can feature it in this section. And by doing this, you are attracting all kinds of inbound clients. One of the client may be looking for a course and community section, and one of the client may be looking for running email and SMS marketing. So when it comes to inbound clients, in the beginning, you don't have to niche down. Only when you start outreaching like cold calling or cold email, cold SMS, you have to niche down to target a particular client. But in this case, you have to show all kinds of features GoHighLevel is providing within their software to increase the probability of you getting more inbound clients. And when they scroll down even further, grow faster and free up more time. So now we are pinpointing their pains. This may not look like fancy like all the other section we are looking in the website, but this section converts really well because we are focusing on their pain point. $3,000+ monthly savings by switching from multiple tools to one all-in-one platform. 35+ software solution replaced simply your business with our comprehensive CRM for small business owners. 40% boost in sales conversion reported by users who take advantage of our efficient follow-up system. These are not just numbers and words and false claims. Business owners are actually getting positive impact with using GoHighLevel, and you should show their pain in the business and how to solve the pain with the help of white labeled GoHighLevel. And when you scroll down further, we will dive deep into all kinds of features with high definition graphics to visually show them what kind of features they are getting inside your white label GoHighLevel SaaS service. Never miss a lead. Automatically respond to missed calls with a personalized text and capture every opportunity. And you have a image which actually shows what goes inside the feature. And yes, you also have this hover animation. Monetize your audience. Earn from your community by offering premium courses and membership. When people visualize all the features with this high definition graphic, there's a high probability of they signing up to your services. Automate your business process with all kinds of automation you can build inside the GoHighLevel. Get paid effortlessly in just a few clicks. The invoice and payment processes within your white label GoHighLevel service. Optimizing your time with calendars, booking systems, and appointment systems. Convert leads into clients with ease with the help of pipelines inside the GoHighLevel. And all the images and graphics you are seeing inside the site, along with the main graphics on the hero section, you can get the templatized version of the Canva. You can change everything within this graphic and customize it to your own brand, because you may be having your own branding colors, and I don't want you to sit down and build all the graphics from the scratch. So I'll be giving this Canva graphics templatized version, so you can just go inside and change the colors, change the text, and even if you want to change a language, you can do so. And up next, integration with tool essential for your business. I have made this rotating logo strip with custom CSS codes and put all the essential tools which can be integrated with the white label GoHighLevel. This is what happens subconsciously. If they look at this logos which has been recognized worldwide, like the Stripe, PayPal, WhatsApp, Google, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, these are the big names. So if they look at your site and they look at the logo which is inside your site, even if you are not working with these kinds of big businesses, when your potential client is watching all the well-known logos inside your website, it will increase the trust between you and your client, and it will increase the probability of them signing up to your services. Next up is the testimonials and reviews. And again, this is the main section which is going to improve the trust between you and your clients to actually make them to sign up to your services. At the moment, it's just a placeholder. Even if you don't have a review from an actual client, I don't want to say this, but you can fake it until you make it. I think you know what I mean. Even if you don't have a review, at least ask your friends to give you some review to put it inside your site to increase the trust to get your first couple of clients. And after getting few clients, you can actually get the client review and put it inside your website. But in the beginning, you have to do some stuff to start getting more clients. And up next in the site is the payment plan. Choose your plan, and we have this monthly and yearly toggle which you can make use to switch between monthly and yearly pricing. And we have this radial animation inside the pro plan usually people go for the pro plan instead of basic and agency. Since they are seeing lots of values in a reasonable amount of money per month, they will go for the pro plan instead of the basic and agency plan. And that's why I differentiated the pro plan to trick the viewer's mind to look at the pro plan instead of the basic and agency. And also, all the buttons inside the site is interactive. It's not just to look good, it's to trick their mind to take actions when they are hovering over the button. When it changes, subconsciously they want to click on the button. So this is not just to look cool. Everything has its own specific reason. And up next is the frequently asked question. You can't just sit around and answer all the questions your client is bringing up. You can just put all the frequently asked question inside the last section. If the client is having this question, they can just click and read the answers they're looking for. And in the end, you'll be having quick links, contact us button, legal with privacy and policy terms and condition, and connecting your social media accounts. And if you want to make use of the site and start signing more clients, you can get this by clicking the first link in the description, where you'll be getting access to this site and all the graphics which has been used in the site, so that you can change whatever you want with respect to your branding. And on top of it, I will link a video on how to customize the whole site by yourself. And again, if you want to get more clients and get more monthly recurring revenue, make use of this website. You can get this in the first link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.